In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download video from Telegram private channel on PC. Let's begin. So you're going to open up your Chrome web browser, and then you're going to open up the Chrome Web Store by searching chromewebstore.google.com. And then in the search bar, you're going to type in Tamper Monkey. Select the first option here. Afterwards, go to the right side and select Add to Chrome. Select Add Extension. Then it's going to say that Tamper Monkey has been added to Chrome. And then a new tab is going to open. So it'll say Tamper Monkey at the top, and there's going to be different tabs. So you're going to go to the tab which says User Scripts. So in the search bar here, you're going to type in Telegram Downloader, then select Search. Then you're going to see something which says Telegram Media Downloader. Simply select it. Head over to the top and select Install the script. Then once again, head over to the top and select Install. Don't worry about the source code. Once it is done, you are going to go to the top right and then select the 3 vertical dots. Then head over to Settings, then go to the left side and select Extensions. And we are going to enable developer mode, so make sure that this is enabled. Once it is done, you are going to go to Telegram and you're going to log in with your details. So you're going to find the channel in which you want to save the video. I'm going to use this channel. Now let's say that I want to download this video. Simply select it. And if you go to the top right, you're going to see a download option that appears. The video is going to download. So now since the video is done downloading, if I go to my download section, the video is going to be downloaded. So let me double click on it. And as you can see, the video has been downloaded. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.